Looking for a flexible and rewarding way to earn extra income? Look no further than online tutoring. With the rise of digital technology, connecting with students from around the world has never been easier. Whether you're an expert in math, science, languages, or any other subject, online tutoring allows you to share your knowledge and skills while earning money from the comfort of your own home. In this video, we'll explore what online tutoring is all about and how you can get started on your journey to becoming a successful online tutor. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. What is online tutoring? Online tutoring is a modern approach to education that brings together students and tutors from all over the world through virtual platforms. It allows individuals to receive personalized instruction and guidance in various subjects without the constraints of geographical limitations. Unlike traditional tutoring, online tutoring utilizes technology such as video conferencing, screen sharing, and interactive whiteboards to create an engaging learning environment. Students can interact with their tutors in real time, ask questions, receive immediate feedback, and access study materials conveniently from their own homes. One of the key benefits of online tutoring is its flexibility. Both students and tutors have the freedom to schedule sessions at times that work best for them. This flexibility enables students to fit tutoring into their busy schedules while allowing tutors to accommodate multiple students across different time zones. Another advantage of online tutoring is the wide range of subjects available. From academic subjects like math, science, English, history, to specialized areas like music lessons or test preparation for standardized exams, there are countless opportunities for tutors with diverse expertise. Furthermore, online tutoring opens up possibilities for international connections. Students can choose tutors based on their specific needs and preferences regardless of location. This global reach provides a unique opportunity for cultural exchange and broadening perspectives beyond traditional classroom settings. Online tutoring offers a convenient way for both students and tutors to connect virtually and engage in effective learning experiences. With its flexibility in scheduling sessions and vast subject options available worldwide, it's no wonder why more people are turning towards this innovative form of education. The benefits of online tutoring. Online tutoring has become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. There are numerous benefits to this flexible and convenient form of teaching. One of the main advantages is the ability to work from anywhere. As an online tutor, you can connect with students from all over the world without ever leaving your home. This eliminates the need for commuting or renting a physical space for teaching. Another benefit is the flexibility it offers. Online tutoring allows you to set your own schedule and choose how many hours you want to work each week. This makes it ideal for those who have other commitments such as a full-time job or family responsibilities. Furthermore, online tutoring provides access to a wider pool of students. Instead of being limited by geographical location, you can reach students from different countries and cultures. This not only expands your potential client base but also exposes you to diverse perspectives and learning styles. Additionally, technology plays a significant role in online tutoring. With video conferencing tools and interactive whiteboards, tutors can create engaging lessons that enhance student understanding and participation. These technological resources make learning more enjoyable for both parties involved. Online tutoring offers financial benefits as well. Many platforms provide competitive rates for tutors based on their qualifications and experience level. With the ability to teach multiple sessions per day, tutors have the opportunity to earn extra income while still maintaining their regular jobs or pursuing other passions. Online tutoring provides countless advantages including flexibility in scheduling, worldwide reach, enhanced teaching tools through technology, as well as financial rewards. Whether you're looking for part-time work or considering a career change into education, online tutoring can be a rewarding option worth exploring. The best subjects to tutor online. When it comes to online tutoring, there is a wide range of subjects that you can choose to teach. The best subjects to tutor online are those that have high demand and offer potential for earning extra income. One popular subject for online tutoring is math. Many students struggle with math concepts and need personalized assistance to improve their skills. Whether it's algebra, geometry, or calculus, there is always a demand for qualified math tutors. Another in-demand subject is English language learning. With the increasing globalization and importance of English proficiency in today's world, many students seek help with grammar, vocabulary, reading comprehension, and writing skills. Science subjects like biology, chemistry, and physics also provide great opportunities for online tutors. These subjects often require visual explanations and demonstrations, which can be easily done through video conferencing platforms. Computer programming and coding are also highly sought-after skills in today's digital age. As technology continues to advance rapidly, more students are interested in learning how to code. Online tutoring allows you to share your expertise from anywhere in the world. Other popular subjects include test preparation, SAT, ACT, foreign languages, Spanish, French, music lessons, piano, guitar, and business-related topics such as finance or marketing. The best subject for you to tutor online depends on your own knowledge and expertise. Choose a subject that you enjoy teaching and feel confident sharing your knowledge with others. Remember, always adapt this answer according to your target audience. How to get started with online tutoring. Getting started with online tutoring is easier than you might think. Here are some steps to help you kickstart your online tutoring journey. First, identify your expertise and the subjects you're passionate about. This could be anything from math and science to languages or music. By focusing on subjects you enjoy teaching, you'll be more motivated and engaged in the tutoring process. Next, research different platforms that offer online tutoring opportunities. There are numerous websites and apps specifically designed for connecting tutors with students all over the world. Some popular options include tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, and Wyzant. Once you've chosen a platform, create a compelling profile that highlights your qualifications and experience in the subjects you plan to tutor. Include any relevant certifications or degrees as well as any teaching experience or success stories. Set realistic pricing for your services based on factors like your level of expertise, demand for the subject, and competition within the platform. It's important to strike a balance between affordability for students while still valuing your time and knowledge. Promote yourself through various marketing channels such as social media platforms, Facebook groups or LinkedIn, educational forums, or even by reaching out directly to local schools or parents' associations. Once you start receiving inquiries from potential students, be professional in your communication and scheduling arrangements. Be prepared with lesson plans tailored to each student's needs so that they see value in investing their time and money into working with you. Remember that building a successful online tutoring business takes time and effort but can provide an excellent source of extra income while helping others learn new skills along the way. Conclusion. In today's digital age, online tutoring has emerged as a lucrative opportunity for individuals looking to earn some extra income. Whether you are a teacher, student, or simply have expertise in a particular subject, online tutoring provides flexibility and convenience that traditional tutoring cannot match. By leveraging the power of technology and the internet, online tutors can reach students from around the world and help them achieve their academic goals. The benefits of online tutoring are numerous: flexible schedules, greater accessibility, personalized learning experiences, and the ability to work from anywhere. When it comes to choosing subjects to tutor online, there is no shortage of options. Math and science subjects such as algebra, calculus, physics, and chemistry are always in high demand. English language skills like writing, grammar, reading comprehension also rank among popular choices for tutors. To get started with online tutoring. 1. Determine your area of expertise. Identify the subjects or areas in which you excel and feel confident teaching others. 2. Research reputable platforms. Look for reliable online tutoring platforms that offer good compensation rates and provide support for both tutors and students. 3. Create an engaging profile. Highlight your qualifications, experience, and teaching style to attract potential students. 4. Set competitive prices. Research what other tutors charge for similar services and set your prices accordingly. 5. Promote yourself. Utilize social media platforms, online forums, or even create a website blog to advertise your services and attract more students. 6. Provide quality sessions and foster relationships. Focus on delivering excellent lessons tailored to each student's needs and building trust with them through consistent communication. As with any new venture, starting out may require patience as you build up your reputation. But with dedication, commitment, and continuous improvement over time, you can establish yourself as a sought-after tutor within the vast realm of online education. Remember that being an effective tutor goes beyond just imparting knowledge. It involves being patient, understanding, and adapting to each student's unique learning style. With